Hey everybody, it's Bob from Sawdust Garage Studios, and today I'm showing you how I make one of these bandsaw reindeers. So for the reindeer, you're actually going to need two things. You're going to need a 2x4. For this, I chose a cedar 2x4. You could also use pine as well. And out of one 8-foot length, you're actually going to be able to get 12 reindeer. For the second thing, you're actually just going to need a bandsaw, and that's about it. And before, wait, what was that? Oh, they wanted to introduce themselves, so I'm sorry. Reindeer, you have the floor.
I'm Dasher, I'm Dancer, I'm Prancer, and Vixen. I'm Comet, I'm Cupid, I'm Donner, and Blitzen. And I'm Ollie, I'm Wayne, and I'm Reggie.
So now we got that out of the way. Rudolph's around here somewhere. He was in timeout a little while ago because he ate all my pencils and hid my tape measure, but that's a whole nother thing. So let's come on in here and I'll show you my plans and how to lay these guys out, and then we'll get cutting. So from your 8-foot piece of 2x4, you're going to want to cut 8-inch long pieces, and then you're going to want to use a template, or you can also hand sketch them out if you'd like. But I have this template available on my website, and the link is in the description of the video. From the template here, I just cut these out, and I actually traced them onto a piece of MDF. I like to keep these around in my shop since I make these all the time. It's a lot easier to replicate on the piece of wood. So what you're going to do is take your template and place it on your 2x4 and trace it out. Trace this out here. And then you're going to trace out the other side. So for this piece, the thing to keep in mind is whatever side you have the larger template traced out on, you're going to put the smaller one with the straight side facing that, and then trace this out. Now that we have them traced out, we're going to go over to the bandsaw. And the thing to keep in mind with that, when we cut on the bandsaw, we're going to cut on the short side first. We're going to cut that out. Then we're going to flip it over, and then we're going to cut this piece out on the bandsaw. And by doing that with this particular template, this edge, the nose, and the top of the antler are flush, so they'll be flush against the table when we cut it out. But you'll see that when we're over at the bandsaw. So let's have it. So now we got those cut and sanded. I want to bring you back and show you how I finish them off. Two options. The first being this Miniwax Polycrilic. This is a water-based product. This is a satin finish. I'll do 2 coats with that. And the nice thing with this product is it only takes about an hour to dry between coats. For a little bit of a darker finish, I'll use this Genersl Finishes Armor seal. This is a satin finish as well, but this is an oil-based product. To finish them off, I'll use some red and green ribbon and some bells. These are from Amazon, but I'll put links to all of this in the description of the video. And if you like what you saw today, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And as always, I wish you happy building and happy holidays.